MICROMAX Canvas Pulse, and let me show you how to enable here Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use apps icon. Here you need to find and select the settings, scroll down to personal tab and choose backup and reset. From the following options, let's enable here backup my data, and now you need to set the backup account. So let's tap on backup account, and here you can add the Google account. Let me tap it. And the phone is checking info, so let's wait until the sign in welcome panel pops up. Alright, so here you can sign in. So as you can see here, let me enter my existing Google account, but you can also use the create account link and use the Google account creator. Alright, if you are ready, let's tap next. And now it's time to enter the password. So let me enter the password to my Google account. And if you are ready, let's choose here next. Tap I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Tap next again. And that's it. You just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.